displaying the glory of God's creation by visiting every state park, national park, and national forest in the contiguous 48 states. Welcome to Parking Full Time with Big Dave the Parker. Welcome back to Parking Full Time. I'm Big Dave the Parker. We are at Hickory Knob State Resort Park. We are in western South Carolina. The closest city to here is actually Augusta, Georgia. But we are in South Carolina. Got some narrow side hill here to start with. This is the only state resort park in South Carolina. A lot of states have several parks that have resorts, golf courses, lodges, that sort of thing. But this is the only one here in South Carolina. Today is Tuesday, November the 29th. And the temperature here right now is 59 degrees. It is a very pleasant late morning here in western South Carolina. There are 3 hiking trails at this park. I have hiked all 3 of them. Today we're going to hike the Lakeview Trail. This is the longest of the 3 trails. It's about 7 miles long. It does have good lake views once we get out closer to the lake. Has nice views across Strom, Thurmond Lake. And so we will head out to the lake views. We've been going for about 45 minutes now. And the lake has come into sight. You can see it through the trees downhill there to the left. And we are coming up on the first really good lake view on this hike. This view is from up here on top of a little bluff. Beautiful day here in South Carolina. For the next few miles, this trail traces along these bluffs and ravines along the lake shore. And that's what we'll be doing. It's only a few minutes later, but you can see now that we are about 2 miles in, if these mile markers are roughly correct, and they roughly are. Haven't seen many markers like the metal diamonds you see there. I think those are metal. Yeah, those are metal. Most of the markers on this trail have been blue paint blazes. I see one of those coming up here. Nice inlet of the lake off here to the left. Really nice setting. Really beautiful day out here. That blue paint blaze you see up there, that is the kind of markers I've seen quite a few of on this trail. Overall, this trail is well marked, well maintained, easy to follow. Very pleasant trail to hike. We've been going about another 15-20 minutes, and we came to this. Really nice view of Strom Thurmond Lake. That immediate hillside there, the other side of the lake there, that is where we were 15-20 minutes ago. The far side you see over there is Georgia. Beautiful day out here by Strom Thurmond Lake. We're about 2.5 hours in now, and we're looking across an arm of the lake, and that is one of the park's docks that you see over there. This is actually our last broad view of Strom Thurmond Lake. This is where the trail turns away from the lake and starts heading up this rather large inlet here, and ultimately takes us up to the campground and back to the trailhead. So that's where we're headed. We'll keep going. We just passed a spur trail that leads to the campground, and therefore we only have a couple thousand feet to go to finish this hike. Very nice hike. Really good lake views on this hike. I do want to thank you for watching. Parking full time would not be anything without the people who watch. I realize that every day. And I thank you every day. If you like this sort of thing, please click the thumbs up button and the subscribe button. That helps other people find this video. And it encourages me to bring more of this sort of thing your way. So I'm going to cut this video. Until next time, I am Big Dave the Parker for Parking Full Time. Looks like we're going off of a road right here. It looks like an old road to me. But anyway, I'm Big Dave the Parker for Parking Full Time. Have a great afternoon. Take care. And Lord bless.